you. I don't see it. There they are. I can't see it.
Right back here a little bit.
Will you hold that? Hold back up.
See him?
Can you look at him?
I'm going to take it off charge.
Okay. Yeah, I like this. That's a good one. Okay. There's a print right there. It's hard to see. It goes right up through there, and you can see the toes. And it comes back down. What? You're not. Yeah, you can see it like that. And then there's another one right there. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put them in this little pocket right there. So when they step over this, because there's more prints over there, when they step over that, they can have their rocks. I bought a bunch of these little rocks, these little stones, to give to them, and it makes me feel good to share them with them because, you know, if they like marbles, you know they're gonna love these. Because marbles are just glass. I know some of these stones are glass, but most of them are not. Most of them are real stones. So I just wanted to show that footprint, and I wanted to show that they're here and that they are going to be able to get their little rocks, and that makes me happy. There's a little juvenile. Can you see it right here?